follow that dust. Roll with us, hop in the truck and fill it up. Head to the river, relax, cool off just like that. When you need a little let go, you can meet me at the back road. When life gets tough, you've had enough, you can follow that dust. You can follow that dust. Back in the day we played, didn't know money needed to be made. We were outside all day with some real toys on replay. Everything nowadays feeling a little too fast, we need to slow the pace. Take a breath, grab a beer and hang a left. You can follow that dust. Roll with us, hop in the truck and fill it up. Head to the river, relax, cool off just like that. When you need a little let go, you can meet me at the back road. When life gets tough, you've had enough, you can follow that dust. You can follow that dust. Look at the way we've changed, that land where the cattle graze. No more remains, just pavement and 4 lanes. We roll up in a big old truck, a bunch of good old boys looking for mud. Serenity, our remedy, we let it be when we follow that dust. Roll with us, hop in the truck and fill it up. Head to the river, relax, cool off just like that. When you need a little let go, you can meet me at the back road. When life gets tough, you've had enough, you can follow that dust. 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 On the road, yeah, you know where to go. You can follow that dust.